Spring is a wonderful time in Voyageurs National Park. Here are our 5 most phenomenal springtime occurrences. 1. Although slow, the breaking up of the northern lakes is quite spectacular. If you have your boat ready, you can harvest the most delicious and pure ice cubes in the world. Perfect for your favorite cocktail. Hey, can I get some ice over here? Anybody? I need to freshen up. 2. Returning migratory birds are a springtime milestone. After the noisy appearance of the seagulls, springtime is officially upon us. Other birds use Voyageurs National Park as a rest stop on their way north, some traveling as far as the Arctic Circle. 3. Rapid drumming of the ruffed grouse is a sound unique to springtime. The male grouse use an elaborate dance and drums to attract a mate. You know, like the rock and roll star. 4. Spring is when mother deer give birth to their fawns. Yes, they're well camouflaged, but it is not uncommon to see them testing out their new legs while on one of Voyageurs Outfitters' wildlife boat tours. Oh, they are so cute. 5. As nature awakens, so do us humans. We too are an integral part of our ecosystems and spaceship Earth. We at Voyageurs Outfitters are busy getting our power boats, sailboats, pontoon boats, tour boats, canoes, kayaks, and paddle boards ready for the upcoming summer season. Remember, folks, your adventure is out there.